What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you are really doing awesome. In this video, I would want to address a question and a solution for a problem that's so universal and that's so obvious that we have never ever thought about it. So it must have happened with you that you are sleeping in the middle of the night and you suddenly feel thirsty. You feel that your mouth is running dry. You cannot swallow your own saliva because it's so dry. And you eventually wake up in search of a water bottle, and that in itself is a tedious task. I mean, you are sleeping in the middle of your sleep, you're searching for a water bottle. That's really tedious. But to your surprise and your inconvenience, you find out that your water bottle is empty. Forcefully, you have to wake yourself up, head over to the kitchen and turn on the lights to refill your water bottle. But the best that you can do is this. So this has happened with me a lot of time, guys. I drink a lot of water. I think I can drink 6 liters of water a day, 6 to 7 liters of water a day. Not even a day, I can drink it even in the night. So I once I had to wake up in the night, head over to the kitchen, and I cannot fill that bottle. I used to spill the water everywhere. It's such a tedious task. Like, the opening of the water bottle is so small that you really have to stress your brain, your mental focus on that task that you are doing. But of course, you are in the middle of your sleep, so you cannot. So I decided to do something about it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the world's first personal portable beverage pump. Now, this is not something of an invention, or this is not something patentable, because I even tried, filing a patent, but I obviously got the replies from my attorneys that this is not patentable. Yeah, I understand that. So basically, this has 4 components in it. One is the water pump. This is a 12-volt DC pump, and you can easily find it online on a lot of websites. And then you have this lithium-ion battery. This battery is a 1200 milliamps battery. This is again a 12-volt battery, so it's suited to run all the electronics that are present in it. And this is rechargeable, so I can recharge it whenever the battery is less. And then we have this battery gauge. Now this battery gauge tells me the amount of juice left in this lithium-ion battery when it's the time to recharge this battery. Then we have this switch to just turn it on or off. And then you see here, this is where you plug in the 12-volt charger to recharge this battery. So if I just turn this switch on, this is how it looks and this is how it sounds. So there are basically 2 openings in the bottom of this device. You just stick 2 pipes in it, polyurethane pipe, and this device is not restricted to only water. I have tried to, refill a lot of liquids like cold drink, hot drinks, soft drinks, and it just works fine. And to just wrap it all together and to just, encase it in something, I have used this acrylic sheet, made it in a cube of a structure. So now I'll show you its circuit diagram and its real life working. So I'll just try to transfer water from this steel bottle to this plastic bottle. So one pipe goes in the source and the other in the... Wait a sec. Yeah, these pipes are actually loose because these are not the exact size, but they just work. Let's just turn it on now. Here you go. So it is just transferring water from this bottle to this bottle. Yeah, and when the water level reaches down, it just tries to suck the air from it. So this is your pump. So this is your pump right here, and this is your battery. This is the switch. This is the charging port where you can stick a 12-volt DC charger, and this is a battery gauge to just show you the level of the charging. And I have connected this battery gauge and this pump in parallel, so both are just having the same 12 volts. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Sorry. So if you enjoyed this video, if you find my DIY stuff interesting, and if you also want to see me doing some more DIY stuff, just hit that like button to let me know that you enjoyed this new side of me, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Oh, come on. Oh.